Precious downtime, a day off enjoyed once a week by many of Hong Kong's domestic helpers. Tens of thousands of them have come from abroad to work, and many of them would like to settle down and retire here. But hopes of that were dashed in court.
We are very disappointed. We are very unhappy with the decision because it shows that discrimination and social exclusion is happening in Hong Kong towards the foreign domestic workers. So this is not good indication about how the Hong Kong government treat its people.
Last September, a maid won an historic legal battle that would have paved the way for domestic workers to apply for permanent residency, something they'd long been denied. But on Wednesday, an appeals court overturned that ruling. Under the law, most overseas workers in Hong Kong, like bankers, teachers, and reporters, can apply for permanent residency after they've lived here for 7 years. Not so for overseas domestic helpers, the government says. The immigration law is not superseding the basic law, Hong Kong's mini constitution, and the years that domestic helpers spend in Hong Kong working here do not count toward the 7 years required to earn permanent residency. Meaning that no matter how long they've worked in Hong Kong, they won't be eligible to apply. Critics say if the helpers, who are mostly from the Philippines and Indonesia, are granted permanent residency, they would bring in spouses and children, overwhelming the social welfare and public housing systems, becoming a $3 billion weight on Hong Kong's economy. Lawyers who represent immigrants say that's just fear-mongering, and their fight is not over. The maid at the center of this case, Evangeline Banal Vallejos, is not talking to the media, but her lawyer is. He tells CNN that she's lived and worked here for more than 25 years, and Hong Kong is her home now. He's planning to take the case to the Court of Final Appeals in the hope that she and others like her will get to stay. Ramy Inocencio, CNN, Hong Kong.